Hey everyone, welcome to TCB. This is part 5 of Tekla Structure Construction Point Tutorial playlist. Now the second method is on plan. Double click on that. This property window will open and it will ask you to pick the origin of the array. This method will create the several point based on the pick point. So let's give the pick point. Whatever the pick point you will pick, this will get reflect here, and after that we can give the value over here. This xyz value will be controlled by your current active plan. So current active plan we have right now xy. So whatever the value I will be giving in the x will go in that direction. Y value will go on the y direction and z value will go on the z direction because we have the xyz plan open. So if you will change the direction here, the x y downside, that value will work accordingly because your current active plan will be changed and the value whatever you will give will behave accordingly. Okay, so I already given the value here. I am just giving the value 200 and here I am going to give the 400. Let's create it because we have give the two values. That's the reason the 2 points coming along the x-axis. Okay, and we haven't given the value in the y and z direction. That's the reason here we don't have any point. For the clarity, we can create the view along the b to verify the z direction also sideways. So let's make it vertically and just display the point all time. Here we have the point. Okay, so let's delete it, and this time we are going to give the value in the y direction also. Let's check. So you can see here the point has been shifted in the y directions with the given input. I'm going to delete this and just give the 700 here and create. So now because we have given the two inputs, that's the reason we have the two rows in the y direction. Let's measure the distance. First is on the 500 and second is on the 700, and in the x direction also because we have the two values. That's the reason we have the 2 points in the along the x-axis also as per the graph. But still because we haven't given any value in the z direction, that's the reason it is coming at the 0. Now delete it and redraw. Here also we will give some value, suppose 300, and create the thing. So you can see in this time the z direction also we have the point offset as per the given input, and delete it and give some 400 and 600. So in the z direction we should have the 3 rows this time. So you can see as per the expectation we have the 3 rows as per the given input. So this method is very useful to create the several points. Okay, right now it's messy because we have the now you can see how it look in this way. So that's it in this presentation. For the continuation, please check my next tutorial. Links are provided on the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.